Happy New Year everyone and welcome back to the first episode of Ichimi for 2022. So on today's episode, we will be talking about the brand new flagship smartphone from Xiaomi called the Xiaomi 12, and it comes with a bunch of interesting features and also upgrades. And also, if you're a huge fan of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, you'll be happy to know that the successor of it, which is the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, will be coming to Malaysia very soon. So all of this and more on today's episode. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series is currently the benchmark for foldable devices, and we have seen smartphone makers such as Huawei, Xiaomi and Oppo taking a shot at the phone-to-tablet form factor. The latest contender to the space is Honor because they are about to launch their first foldable smartphone called the Honor Magic V. Honor has released its first Magic V teaser video which provides a glimpse of the new Z Fold 3 contender. Similar to the Samsung Foldable, it has a tall candy bar form factor when it's closed, and the outer display appears to stretch all the way to the edges. The cover also gets a selfie camera that sits in a tiny punch hole. The video also showed a flexible internal display that offers a large tablet view. When folded, the device appears to come with a very tiny gap, which is a significant improvement over the Galaxy Z Fold 3, but not exactly gapless as the Oppo Find N. The device also seems to come with a rather large camera module which protrudes slightly on the back. Since Honor is no longer limited to US restrictions like Huawei, it is possible that the upcoming Honor Magic V will come with Google Mobile Services. Looking at the Honor 50 rollout, Malaysia is still one of Honor's key markets outside of China, and there's a chance they will bring in the Honor Magic V here in Malaysia. Samsung Malaysia is kicking off their 2022 with a brand new Galaxy smartphone which will be launched this coming Wednesday. As speculated in the past few weeks, it is highly likely to be the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. The local launch event in Kuala Lumpur will be happening this coming Wednesday, which is on the 5th of January 2022 during the evening. The invite image shows 4 colours that matches the Galaxy S21 FE colour options, namely olive, graphite, white and lavender. It is likely that the Galaxy S21 FE pre-orders could start shortly after the event, and Malaysians could get the device as early as the following week. In Europe, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE with 128GB of storage is going for €749, which is around 3,548 ringgit, while the 256GB version is priced at €819, which is around 3,879 ringgit. Do expect that the Malaysian pricing will be significantly lower. The Xiaomi 12 flagship series is finally official, and they have introduced a total of 3 devices, namely the Xiaomi 12, the Xiaomi 12 Pro and also the Xiaomi 12X. Besides the usual tech upgrades, Xiaomi is putting more emphasis on making a more compact device, which is great for users that prefer a smaller phone with flagship level performance. First, let's talk about the Xiaomi 12 and 12 Pro. The standard 12 comes with a 6.28-inch Full HD Plus display, while the largest Xiaomi 12 Pro gets a bigger 6.73-inch Quad HD Plus display. Both devices are powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. In the past few Xiaomi flagships, you will often find a 108MP main camera, but this time Xiaomi is focusing on having a larger pixel for improved photography performance. On the smaller Xiaomi 12, the device uses a 50MP Sony IMX766 1/1.5-inch sensor instead of a 108MP Samsung ISOCELL Bright HMX 1/133-inch sensor, which is found on the Xiaomi Mi 11. The Sony IMX766 has a pixel size of 1 micron versus Samsung ISOCELL Bright HMX 0.8 micron. With 4-in-1 pixel binding, the IMX766 offers a larger effective pixel size of 2 microns, which should translate to better performance in low light. The Xiaomi 12 may be small in size, but it boasts a 4500mAh battery, while the Xiaomi 12 Pro features a 4600mAh battery. 120W charging for the Xiaomi isn't new, but the Xiaomi 12 Pro uses a single cell battery design instead of the dual cell battery approach. You can choose to charge the device in fast mode, which takes only 18 minutes, or go for a cooler mode, which takes 24 minutes to hit 100%. It supports 50W fast wireless charging as well as 10W reverse wireless charging. The smaller Xiaomi 12 settles for a slightly lower 67 fast wired charging, but it still offers 50W fast wireless charging as well as 10W reverse wireless charging. And now let's talk about the Xiaomi 12X. This is the more affordable member of the flagship series. It shares a lot of similarities with the Xiaomi 12, but it runs on an older but capable Snapdragon 870 chip. Besides that, it still comes with a 6.28-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, a triple camera setup, and also a 4500mAh battery that supports 67W fast wired charging, but it loses on wireless. To help customers affected by recent floods, Celcom is currently offering free replacement of damaged broadband equipment. The free equipment replacement program covers customers of both Celcom Fibre and also wireless broadband services. According to Celcom, there is no contract extension and it even covers existing customers with devices that are out of warranty. The free equipment replacement is available now until the 31st of January 2022. If you're an affected Celcom customer, you can inform them by calling this number. The customer service consultant will help to arrange a one-to-one swap for your damaged broadband equipment at no extra cost. The devastating floods which hit several states have also caused major disruption to telecommunication services. Several network sites were down due to power outages and they are currently being restored in stages. According to their update, Celcom has fully restored services in affected areas of Ejok, Shah Alam, Port Klang, Banting, Jerantut, Mentagap and Berak. Alright, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!